Hello everyone, welcome to my video lecture. In this video, I am going to explain the benefits of GST. GST is such a tax reform which brings benefits to various stakeholders of the nation. Say to the government, to the business, to the industry, as well as to the common citizen of the country. Now let us see the benefits of GST to various sections. For understanding purpose, we can classify the advantages or benefits of GST into three categories. First one, benefits to economy or to the nation. Second one, benefits to in business and industry. And the third one is about business to benefits to common man. Now let us see the first one, benefits to economy. What are the benefits of GST to economy? First one, creation of unified national market. We know that under GST, the tax rates will be uniform throughout the nation. In all the states, same rate is applicable for goods and services. So that what happens? The prices of commodities or services will be same throughout the country. Therefore, it creates one unified market. That means the entire nation will be considered as one market. One nation, one market. Okay. The second one is that boost to Make in India initiative. GST provisions, GST rules and supportive policies of the government always supports Make in India initiatives to the government so that it will create more and more entrepreneurs so that it creates employment opportunities too. The third one is that certainty in tax administration. Under GST, the proper classification is done for various goods and services. Therefore, there is possibility, there is ability to have a proper tax administration throughout the country uniformly. The next one is that automated procedures with greater use of IT. Information infrastructure facilities, information technology are the foundation for introduction of GST into the country because it may be filing of returns, it may be payment of tax or it may be registration. Everything will be done through IT. Therefore, automated procedures of IT will smoothen as well as fasten the tax procedures. The fourth one is that enhanced investment and employment. Because of GST, the prices of the commodities in the market will be lower. The reason is the benefit of input tax credit. What is input tax credit? The amount which is the tax which is already paid on the materials you have purchased will be deducted while paying output tax credit because when that materials will be part of the output goods. Therefore, because of this ITC, the final price of the commodities will be lower. So, when the prices of the commodity will be lower, the Indian goods will be able to compete in the international market so that there will be more and more exports, right? And when the export increases, automatically industry grows and it creates more and more employment opportunities. Next one is that reduction in compliance cost. Because of IT-based facilities, IT-based system, it will reduce the cost of manual work which is connected with the filing of returns or payment of tax. Even though the initial cost of investment for IT facility will be a huge amount, but still the maintenance cost or the compliance cost will be reduced. The next one is that simple and easy to administrate. That means once it is implemented properly, it goes on smoothly. There will not be any hindrances so that it is very easy as well as simple to administer because there will not be variety of taxes, there will not be different multiplication of taxes, there is no different rates of taxes throughout the country. So when the complexities are reduced, automatically it is very easy to administer. Next one, better control on leakage. How it controls better? It have the better control on leakage because when everything is computerized, everything is done through computer, there is no scope for malpractices or fraud. So that there will not be any avoidance of tax without payment to the government. The next one is that boost to economic growth and increase in GDP. When the industry grows, automatically it brings more and more revenue. Automatically in turn it will result in increased gross domestic product. The next one is that higher revenue efficiency. Because of more and more sales and more tax collections, when compared to tax collections to the amount of sales, there will be revenue efficiency. Next one, benefit to consuming states. As I told earlier, the GST collected by the central government will be divided among central and state. So which state has got the corresponding sales, to that state the portion of GST will be allotted, apportioned, therefore it is benefit to the consuming states also. Next one, unorganized sector is regulated under GST. Before GST there were different types of taxes, as I told earlier. Excise, or it may be sales tax, or it may be VAT, whatever it is. But all these taxes were not given much importance to the unorganized sector, but under GST, unorganized sector like street side vendors, everybody is taken into consideration. Next, eradication of corruption. This point is already I have explained. When everything is computerized, automated, there is possibility to reduce corruption. Now let us see what are the benefits to business and industry. So first one, benefits to agriculture and industry. When the business is able to have automated system of payment of taxes, as well as there is a benefit of input tax credit, automatically it will beneficial to the industry as well as to the agriculture sector. Next one, mitigation of ill effects of cascading. What is mitigation of ill effect of cascading? Tax on tax. Once the tax is paid, in the next stage again tax is paid on tax itself. It was the major criticisms or the loophole of the old taxation system. But the tax on tax system, that is cascading effect, is not there in GST, so that it is beneficial to the industry. Next, benefits to small traders as well as to the entrepreneurs, because the small traders and entrepreneurs, if they opt for, they can go for composition scheme of registration, in which the procedures regarding payment of tax or maintenance of records will be very simple, and as well as they need not impose and collect GST. The next one is that easy compliance. As I told earlier, the procedure relating to all tax payments, whatever it is, everything is simple and easy. Uniformity of tax rates and tax structure, this is also one of the benefit of GST. All these are very simple points. Okay. Improved competitiveness, as there is reduced tax rates and uniformity of tax rate throughout the nation from state to state, there will be competition among state to state, so that reduce the cost of production rather than increasing the price. Next one, it is gain to manufacturers and exporters because of Make in India initiatives or whatever it is, it will boost the production as well as the exports and brings foreign revenue. Next one, ease of doing business, the record maintenance, whatever it is, everything is easy. Then e-commerce operators no longer suffer from differential treatment because they are also given preference, and the procedure regarding payment of tax, everything will be clearly mentioned in GST. Okay. Next one is benefits to common man. So what are the benefits to common man? What are the benefits to common person like us? The first one is that reduction in the price of the goods and services. Do you agree with this? Yes, obviously, because when there is no multiplication of taxes, when there is no tax on tax, automatically the price at which we can buy the goods will be very lower. It is nothing but benefit to us. Next, uniform price throughout the country. This point I have already explained, but I have written this point there also from the point of view of nation. Here this point is added from the point of view of a common man. Trust in simple tax system, because everything is computerized, everything is done automatically, everything is done through IT based system. Therefore, we need not suspect that whether there is any loophole, whether there is more collection of tax, etc. Next, better accessibility of goods and services, reduces corruption, increased productivity, GDP growth, poverty eradication. All these are the benefits of GST to the country, to the government, to the business, to the industry, right, to the common man. So altogether we can say that GST, even though it is criticized and opposed by some of the sections of the society, but later on it brought major reforms in the taxation systems of the country, and finally after 2 or 3 years it will benefit the entire nation as well as different sections of the society. Thank you.